You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold. You're the whisper in my ear when I need it the most. If I was cast on an island and could only bring one thing, still you'd be all I need. All I need. I need. How do I say how much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak? Just know you're all I need. With a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best. I'll be there for you, like you're there for me, 'cause you are all I need. All I need. I need. How much you really mean when I can't find no words to speak. Just know you're all I need. You're all I need. Oh, you're all I need. Oh. You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. Oh, you'd be all I need.
Sophie, I don't know if it's possible to put how I feel about you into words. To feel about you into words, but I'll give it a go. Sophie, as the cliche says, you showed up when I least expecting you. Since we began talking, and the night I witnessed you lying on the floor too drunk to move, I knew that you were going to be the one. I promise to always be there when you have troubles, and to know that sometimes simply letting you talk about your problems is enough. I promise to be the most dependable person in your life. I promise you that laughter will always be commonplace in our house. I promise to do my best to age gracefully in body and soul, and not become crankier than I already am. I promise from this day forward to live my life as a member of a team and not as an individual. To take a quote from one of our favourite series, Scrubs, I never really believed I'd find somebody that I love as much as you. I love you more than anything in the entire world, Sophie. I love you more than I love Lachlan.
If I'm totally honest with you, I never thought the day would come where I'm standing at my wedding about to marry my best friend, soulmate and love of my life. When we met, I was in a dark place and at my lowest. In our 6 years together, we have created this amazing life, and I can't wait to see what this next chapter brings for us.
Sorry, I'm shaking.
So writing these vows, I won't promise not to fight and argue with each other, because anyone that knows us knows that's definitely not going to happen. I'm not going to promise that every day will be a piece of cake, because it won't. Life is going to throw everything at us and it will be hard. But I do promise to stand by your side and walk through it together. I promise to be the light on your darkest of days. I promise to pick up the slack when things are getting hard. Most of all, I promise to love you every single day and make sure you never have to question it. Because 50 years from now, I hope we're sitting on our porch with the beautiful house that we have built, watching our children and grandchildren running around, thinking of the vows we made to each other today and reflecting on this beautiful life we have made, thinking about all the fun we had along the way.
Voy donde quiero con cualquiera, donde sea papi. 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 Voy donde sea papi. Voy donde sea papi. Donde sea papi. Voy donde sea papi.